Welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, let's make this colorful vegetable chop suey, a dish full of mixed vegetables stir-fried and coated in a thick sauce. Chop suey can be served as a light main dish or as a side dish for your rice. Here are the ingredients for vegetable chop suey. 1/4 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 large onion sliced into thick wedges, 100 grams of carrots sliced into thin diagonal discs, 100 grams of beans cut diagonally, 100 grams of cauliflower broken or cut into small florets, 100 grams of cabbage cut into thick wedges, and 50 grams of baby corn. You can use fresh canned baby corn. You can also substitute some of these vegetables with broccoli, bell peppers or mushrooms. 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, salt to season. For the chop suey sauce, here are the ingredients. 1.5 cups of water or vegetable broth to be used as needed, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now that you have all the ingredients ready, let's make the chop suey sauce first. Pour in 1/2 cup of water or the vegetable broth into a bowl. Add the cornstarch to this and combine well. Add the soy sauce, then add the oyster sauce, mix well and set aside. Now that you have all the prep work done, let's make the vegetable chop suey. To a heated cooking pan, pour in the oil. Add the minced garlic and cook over low-medium heat until the aroma is released. Add the onions, combine and gradually add the vegetables. First, add the carrots as they need to cook longer. Then, add the cauliflower florets. Combine well. Add the beans, stir fry for 2-3 minutes, pour in some water, add the whole baby corns. As you stir fry the baby corns, you can break them into half. Now add the cabbage and continue to stir fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Season with salt. Add the black pepper while you continue to stir fry. Add the sugar and continue to stir fry. Now that you have all the vegetables semi-cooked, pour in the sauce, cook over low-medium heat for another 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce thickens and coats the vegetables. Taste and adjust the seasoning as per your need. To get the maximum flavor out of your chop suey, serve immediately over cooked rice. And this is your homemade vegetable chop suey. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you soon with another great recipe to try.